Hey everyone, this will be a quick unboxing here of the Google Pixel 9a in Iris. These are currently on sale pretty much everywhere that sells these for 400 bucks for the holidays. And there is that beautiful Iris color. You can even see it through the, that's crazy, you can see it through here. Yeah, so these are on sale for about 400 bucks right now, which I think for that price, this is a rather good deal. That was one of the worst rips I have ever done. I just did not want to come off there nice and clean. Alright, so besides from some dust from my room here, again, this is the Iris color, which is like a nice purple blue color. This thing is a very nice color for sure. Love it. This or the peony, I think, are my two favorite colors for the 9A. They're just both nice and beautiful colors. Alright, so first you got speaker grill, USB-C mic, your SIM card slot, mic, power button and volume rocker, LED flash, and then you have your almost flush, almost completely flat camera there. I mean, there is a tiny bump. I know other reviewers say there's no bump. There is a tiniest of bumps there. It's like a millimeter bump, but there still is one. But it is about as close as no bump as you're going to get these days, which is awesome. Of course, you have the camera there as well. There we go. I believe this is like a silver. In this lighting, it actually looks kind of purpley, irisy colored as well, but I believe it is just silver. But it does look really good. It's a nice looking phone for 400 bucks, and it should be a rather good phone for 400 bucks. Yeah, you guys let me know what you think. If you have one of these, let me know. I know I made a video on this when these first came out. I'm excited to see them now that they've been out for a little while. Alright guys, yeah, thank you for watching. Hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.